In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the homepage background on Squarespace, whether you're looking to give your website a fresh new look or simply want to update the visuals to better reflect your brand. Changing the homepage background is a quick and effective way to make a big impact. Squarespace makes this process easy with its user-friendly tools, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to customize your website's appearance with confidence. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. Now, if you've connected your Google account to Squarespace, you can simply click the Continue with Google button and select the appropriate account associated with your website. This is a great option if you want to skip manually entering your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Squarespace dashboard. From here, locate the website you want to edit. If you manage multiple websites, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right one. Once you've found it, click on it to open the website's backend. Next, navigate to the Pages menu. You'll find this in the dashboard on the left-hand side. Once you're in the Pages section, look for your homepage. This might be labeled as Homepage, or it could have a specific title that you assign to it. So just keep an eye out for whichever one corresponds to your site's main landing page. When you've found it, hover your mouse over the page name. You'll notice an Edit button appear. Go ahead and click on that to open the page editor. Now that you're in the page editor, the next step is to edit the specific section of the homepage where you want to change the background. To do this, hover over the section and click the Edit Section button when it appears. This will bring up the Section Settings panel on the left-hand side of your screen. In the Settings panel, you'll see several options for customizing the section. Click on the option labeled Background. This is where you'll be able to make changes to the visual backdrop of your homepage section. Once you're in the background settings, you'll see a Replace button. Click on this to start the process of changing your background image. At this point, you have two options for selecting a new background image. First, you can click Browse Stock Images to explore Squarespace's extensive library of free, high-quality stock photos. This is a great choice if you're looking for professional visuals without needing to upload your own. Alternatively, if you already have an image you'd like to use, you can upload it directly from your computer. Just click the Upload option, select your file, and it will be added as the new background. Once you've chosen your desired image, whether from the stock library or your own collection, click the Add Image button. This will finalize your selection and apply the new image to the section. Take a moment to preview how the background looks on your homepage. If everything looks good, the final step is to save your changes. To do that, click the Save button in the top left corner of the editor. And just like that, your homepage background has been updated. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background of your homepage on Squarespace. This simple customization can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your website, helping you create a more visually appealing and on-brand experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.